what's up VW gang? So right now it's like 4 a.m. so I'm trying to keep it down since everyone is still sleeping. Anyways, first thing I gotta do is strip everything off of this motor. A lot of the stuff on here looks untouched, so I'll be doing a bunch of maintenance, especially a new timing kit since I really don't know the service history of this motor. And most of this stuff is beat up, so I'll be reusing the parts off of the Jetta. So I got the usual timing kit, got that bling bling water pump, hydraulic tensioner, tensioner rollers, camshaft seals, and a ContiTech timing belt. Alright, I'm out here again, day 2, 4 a.m. on the dot. I'm gonna throw whatever I can on. Parts have been coming in like crazy and they're going on as they come in. Just a couple things going on this morning. We got a cheap oversized filter. This is just to get the motor going. I'll probably change it later down the road. Got the NGK BKR7Es, thermostat, and along with that, all cast aluminum flanges to replace the plastic ones.
Yes!
I got this full kit on eBay, $30 upgrade, which is totally worth it, and a cheap breather set. Not all the greatest parts, but keep in mind this motor is temporary. I'm not trying to spend big money on a stock motor. I'm trying to save all that good stuff for the stroker. Alright, I got the exhaust manifold on with new nuts and studs. For the most part, the turbo setup will remain the same and is gonna go on, but I'm gonna switch it up with all the lines. A lot of them are kinked, also a bit beat, so instead of buying the same exact kit, I'm gonna make my own lines with this nylon braided AN fitting kit. This route is much cheaper, at least half the cost of the original kit, but it would take a lot more work since I gotta cut everything myself. Of course, all the hoses aren't the same size, so I got a few hose sizes available, but we'll make it work. The final piece of the puzzle before the motor goes in, I got the clutch kit. So the one on the Jetta was all original, 160k on the clutch setup, as you can see, rusted and worn as hell. Check that out. No way I considered reusing this. The flywheel is just as bad. You can see all the heat marks on it. Alright, so to replace that nightmare, I got a Vallejo clutch kit with a single mass flywheel conversion. Complete kit with a new release bearing and slave. Pressure plate with someone's fingerprints all over it.
Why? 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 Why?
Awesome. Some grease, clutch, single mass flywheel, and of course we got the bolts and clutch holder tool. So let's slap it on. Alright, so I got the engine in, bolted it to the trans, engine mounts all set up, but I still got a lot of work to do. All this mess gotta be put back. Wires, hoses, shift linkage on the transmission, wastegate routing, intercooler pipes and all. So that'll be it actually for this video. Mahalo V-Dub gang for watching. You know the drill. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notifications, because in the next video the Jetta will be out on the streets.